Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely weekend. This is another unboxing video and I have got latest in beauty. So very pretty, got a little leaflet there and my items are in here, which I'll just quickly show you. There. Not many items this month compared to last month. I have opted for 3 items this month. I went for 9 last month. So if you're new to Latest in Beauty, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. But if you know all about it or you've seen my previous video, I will add a time stamp down below and in the description as well. So you're free to skip forward until you want to see what the items I picked myself this month. All details will be listed down below. So click on the show more and that'll bring a description. So all links to this box, all links to this subscription and everything like that. So if you want to learn more about Latest in Beauty and to see what other offers they've got on their website, and I believe if you sign up for a subscription you get a free Nails Inc nail polish at the moment. That's what I found online anyway. So yeah, everything will be down there, so click down there if you're interested after this video. So on to what exactly is Latest in Beauty. It is a subscription service and it can be cancelled any time, but it's also a online website that provides like special one-off boxes. So they curate boxes nearly every month, every other month maybe, I'm not sure. I keep getting emails saying there's a new one out always. So they gather a load of beauty products and they have a theme. Now these boxes are normally like £25 for subscribers and £30 for non-subscribers, I believe. I think I've only just got into Latest in Beauty, so I am still learning. So yeah, so they bring out these boxes. You can opt for a subscription, which is what I've done. You also get to choose whether you want a 3-item box, which is what I've got today, which cost me £9, or you can opt for a 6-item or a 9-item box, which is what I opted for last month because they had an amazing deal for 50% off your subscription boxes. So that's why I signed up. So yeah, so if you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below so you can take a look to see all the goodies I got there. So I've dropped it down for 3 this month because for the 9-item box it would cost £18 and I can't really afford that at the moment, but the 3-item box costs £9, which is fine. I can just about do that, and I've picked some great items as well. I like this subscription because it does offer you the chance to be a bit flexible with your subscription. They release and edit, I think it's every week, I believe you get an email and it tells you all the items that they'll be releasing onto their website. From the time your money comes out of your account, you have got a month then to choose whatever items you've got. So you've got that flexibility. You do have, you know, the emails to tell you what items are coming up, so you don't have to choose your items straight away, unless of course there is items that were there before and you fancied getting. But if you're a little bit I'm not too sure, you can wait a week or 2 or so. If you don't choose by the time the month is up until your following payment comes out, Latest in Beauty will actually choose items for you. But you've got a month window, which is really handy, which I wasn't aware of initially. So if I'd known, I might have waited a little while, but I am happy with the items I got, but I'll know now for next month. Also, because you get that email telling you what items are coming onto the website, that's when you can actually say, oh gosh, there's a load there, I fancy getting a few. So if you've previously just subscribed for 3 items, then you can opt for 6 or 9. So you can change things up all the time, which I really like. And you can cancel any time as well. So let's get on to showing you what I've chosen for this month. So inside, as you saw, you get a little card and it's just got all about the social media sites on the back. And this is, I like big brows and I cannot lie. I would love to have big brows and I cannot lie about that. I would do anything for big brows. So I think from watching other videos and from last month and this month, you always get like a little freebie. I had a packet of crisps last month and I got a tea bag this time and I love this. I've had it before, so I'm quite chuffed with that. And these are my items. So as I said, I chose 3 and these cost me £9. My first item is a Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid salicylic acid for all skin types, and it's an exfoliant. So this is, I'd say, more like a travel size. It's not exactly sample because it's 30 mils. It's quite a good one. So the full size costs £26 and it's 118. So you're talking about £6.50 this is worth alone. So the information on the website says, because I wasn't sure exactly what it does, so I had a good read up about it before I chose it. It's an exfoliating fluid fortified with salicylic acid to help renew skin and minimize pores. Absorbing quickly into the skin, the leave-on exfoliant targets both the skin surface and deep down, sloughing away, dulling dead skin cells whilst penetrating inside the pore to reshape and unclog from deep within. Redness and blemishes are addressed and reduced. Its lightweight texture delivers deep exfoliation and increases cell turnover to skin, so skin looks renewed and radiant with a more even tone. Salicylic acid harnesses antioxidant properties and increases collagen production. The appearance of wrinkles are reduced and skin feels firmer and healthier. It says expect renewed skin with improved appearance, texture and function, protected, fortified and healthy. And it says it's suitable for all skin types, especially normal, oily or combination, non-irritating and 100% fragrance free, and it's not tested on animals. So after cleansing and toning, it's recommended to apply it then. So I can't wait to try that. Really can't wait to try that. So that was the first item. So the next item is a James Read, and it's a H2O gradual tan mist. You can see there. So this is a 30 mils as well. So again, I would say it's bigger than a sample. I'd say it's more like a travel size or a deluxe sample. Now the recommended retail price for the full size, which is 100 mils, is £20. So again, you're looking at, my maths isn't great, but you're looking at what, £6–7 this is worth. I've tried other James Read products before and really like them. I've never tried this mist, but I really like the thought of that. Now that we're coming into autumn and winter, I don't wear a lot of fake tan, but I think having a nice mist, spraying it on my face just to give me a bit of a pick-me-up, I think it'd be really nice. So the information that I found on the website says that it's a lightweight cooling spray to revitalise and refresh while delivering a natural looking glow to all skin types. Infused with pure rose water, the tanning mist provides anti-aging benefits whilst vitamins and minerals hydrate, restore and rejuvenate skin. Fast drying and easy to use, you can control your depth of colour and build a gradual tan that intensifies with each application. Its colourless formula can be used under or over makeup for enhanced radiance. So no, I'm really excited to try that, something a bit different. And then my last item, and this is a Nivea Micellar Air Skin Breathe Micellar Water. It's 0% residue and it's a 3-in-1 makeup remover for sensitive skins. And it says effectively removes makeup, gently yet cleanses, deeply cleanses and soothes and hydrates, no rinsing, no perfume, and it's 100 mils. And this is an actual size you can buy and it costs £1.99 for this size. It's 100 mils. Did I say that? Apologies if I'm repeating, but that's what that looks like there. So I thought it was a really nice handy size. I like micellar waters. It's usually when I'm really, you can't be bothered to do a proper cleanse in the evening, so I'm there just with my pads next to the bed and I'm just like, ugh, and then shove it there. So that's when my micellar water comes in handy for me anyway. There's no extra information on the website than what I've just read, which is on the front here. Just says on the back, soak a cotton pad, gently wipe over face with closed eyes and lips. So gathering all the items together, so this box cost me £9. You're looking at roughly about £18 for all of these. So I got, you know, it's half the price of what the actual value is. And I got some nice items. There wasn't items on there that I was particularly excited about after these, to be honest, and that is one of the reasons why I did drop down to 3. I am glad with what I've got, and yeah, no, I'll continue to see how Latest in Beauty goes. I know that a lot of you enjoyed the video that I did, and a lot of you do have Latest in Beauty, so I'll see how it goes for me, but yeah, just see what next month brings then. So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you do get Latest in Beauty, let me know what choices you chose for this month and whether you got a good bargain as well. So I'd love to hear and read your comments. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.